Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be staying in library from when it opens to when it closes. So library in our campus opens at around 9 a.m. So it's around 8 a.m. right now, and I will quickly get ready, and then at first I think I'll have to go to the department because I'll have to get my attendance done, and then I'll go to library at around 9 a.m. exactly when it opens, and then I'll stay there. I'll not come out even for eating or doing anything out of the library. Today I'll just stay in library from when it opens to when it closes. So I don't know if I'll be able to study for that long or not, because I don't know, but one thing for sure is I'll be staying in library from when it opens to when it closes. So let's quickly change my outfit and we'll see you. So I'm ready, and this is what I'm wearing: a simple denim and a plain black t-shirt. So this is very comfortable, by the way. This is from Mark and Spencer. And now I'm going to pack my bag and go to libraries. So I'm sneaking this snack. We have some namkeens here. I just packed this in a plastic so that they will not guess that it is a food, and they let me take this inside the library because food is not allowed inside the library, and I really feel hungry in 10 5 minutes. I just need to snack on something, munch on something. So I am trying to take this thing inside the plastic. I'm keeping few ORS's because I'm not feeling very well these days. I'm feeling very weak. I don't know. I have been going through something or other. So now I'm fine, but just to kill my weakness, I'm carrying some electrolyte. One notebook should be enough. And a water bottle, of course. And this was gifted by my friends. Most important thing, my laptop. So now I am ready. Hi guys. Some watermelon from the basket. So now I'm going to my department. Mark my attendance. Punch my attendance. I kept my ID card in my pocket, and while taking out the phone, I think it failed somewhere. So now I'll have to go back and find it. Shit. They found my ID card. It fell somewhere, and they kept it in the registration desk. So thank God, but I'm really tired now, and I think I'm late also. I'll not be able to reach on time exactly, but I won't even be that late, so it's fine. Thankfully, I found my ID card. So now that I have marked my attendance, now I'm going to library. So the place where I'm standing right now is right in front of the main building, and this is the way from main building to library, and this has recently been constructed. And in the middle of the infinity corridor there is this helping hand sort of things. There are two hands connecting, trying to connect each other. Then we finally reached library, and this is how the library looks from outside, but the inside is totally different. There are lot of plants and sitting spaces they recently made outside of the library. Now let's get inside. So this is how it looks from inside. There are some places to keep our books and bags, like since we are not allowed to take our bags inside, so we have to keep it outside. So I quickly packed some of the stuffs that I might need for my study, and then I'm going inside. So this door has recently been made. This is automatic kind of door, and this is how the library looks from inside. So the library inside is not just very beautiful, it's also very peaceful, calming sort of environment. So whenever I go to library, I always tend to study a lot more as compared to how I normally. So I'm finally here at library, but I cannot talk out loud because others are studying. Actually, there are very few people here, but there are not much people, and it is very relaxing here because of the AC. No more gurmi, so I can finally focus and then study. So let's start studying, and after some time I might give you a quick tour of library. I'll try, but since I'm in library it becomes very difficult to shoot or record or do anything, but I'll try. So let's start with studying. So I am using Pomodoro technique. I have put an alarm for 25 minutes and I'm starting the alarm, and after 25 minutes I may take 2 or 5 minutes of break and watch some reels, and then I'll start again. So that helps to focus and that has really helped me. So I've started studying and the 25 minutes already over. So quickly 5 minute of break. I'm going to washroom and it's difficult to talk here also. So I'm changing my space. I went upstairs and then this is a logo of IIT Bombay and this is the place where I'm sitting currently. Very beautiful. Now Ajay joined me for studying. He's from structural engineering specialization, and in the midway I was taking many breaks or I was going to washroom, and there is also one canteen inside of the library. So we went to cafeteria to have something in between for lunch break, mostly because I did not eat anything in the morning. So we ordered some coffee and he was doing some fasting and stuff because today is Mahashivratri, but I it's difficult for me, so I just ordered this bread pakora, and the food inside of the cafeteria is very tasty. Now back to studying, but since my phone was dead, I could not record the rest of the video. But like this is how much it is. I went for another snack with some fruit balls and tea, of course, lemon tea. And that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe, and give me some good feedback, whatever I need